No joke, folks. Here's my front door. This is the top of the snow right there, bro. That's almost 6 feet of snow there. So my car is covered again, like I didn't do jack. Well, that's like I didn't do jack over there. That mound is the next door neighbor's car. I at least uncovered it a few times, but for God's sakes, man. All right, let's try to get out here and see what the damage is on the street, okay? Let's do it. Let's dunk underneath my roof while I try to step back into the previous steps I had before. But if you see, my feet are sinking all the way in, like about 2 feet. I got this shovel here to help me brace myself, but let's see if I can just now get my foot back into the old holes that I previously had. All right. Folks, this is crazy. Look at that mound on my roof. And that mound right there on the floor in front of it is the mound that fell off before. So I would imagine this one will be falling off in a few days and falling right into my doorstep. So I'm gonna have blockade very soon, like most folks that I see on the mountain already. All right, so there's the side of my car again, like I did absolutely nothing the other day. And here's the other side of my truck, like I did nothing. All right, let's go up to the top of the snow wall here. All right. Holy moly's. There's my neighbor. He's made a little snow plow path for his driveway. But really, until the plow comes through, no one's driving anywhere. I mean, even if you got 4x4 with supersonic space wheels, man, that's at least a good 2 feet of snow. There's just no way you're trudging all the way through this and making it safe somewhere. So the roads need to be plowed, bro. It's crazy. What is that in the road, I wonder? What the heck is that? Oh, it's just a dirty piece of ice. Yeah, crazy. Let's go back to the front of my area. Again, my truck looking like I did absolutely nothing. Can't see it barely in there. Mountain living. I'm gonna go check on my neighbor, make sure she's okay. See you later.